Hello everyone, my name is Kalpana Sharma and today I am going to discuss and tell about my bag. And okay, I bought this bag from Karol Bagh, and when I go with my best friends, that is Kritika and Harshit, uh, for uh, for wonder, then I bought this bag, and because I like its color, because it's blue color and black, it's a very good combination, and I like this combination. And actually I uh, actually I go to this market just because to buy this bag with my friends, and I wander and I search it from half an hour, and I didn't find it because there are lots of shops. There were lots of shops, but they all were closed at that time because I go to the after 12 o'clock, and all the shops were closed at that time. And I found this bag after very struggle. It take half an hour, 1 hour to found it, and after that I bought this bag. That's it.
Clap for her.